This is the Boulies Master Series office chair, featuring built-in lumbar support adjustment, 4D adjustable metal armrest, available in Ultraflex Polyurethane and water-resistant fabric option, which is the one that I have here. Not only this chair looks premium, but it is also very comfortable and affordable. It sells for $399, but there's a spring sale promotion where you can save $35. Starting with the unboxing, and this chair came very well packaged. Everything feels premium and it was very easy to assemble. It only took me around 15 minutes and you only need one tool, which is already included. I have the Carolina blue color, but it is also available in charcoal, which I think it looks really good, and ash gray, which is a lighter color. Alright guys, so I'm going to sit on this chair for the very first time and I'm going to tell you how it feels, my reaction. Let's go. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me jump in it. Jump a little bit. Okay, actually feels very good. It's comfortable, but it also feels a little rough. It's not as comfortable as other chairs. Lately I've been reviewing a lot of these gaming chairs. So far, the most comfortable one is the Vertagear, which is the one that I'm keeping for sure. But this is not bad. Feels a little stiff, maybe because it's brand new, but it wraps around my body and it feels good. There's lumbar support, I can feel it, although there's a knob right here that you can adjust the lumbar support, but I don't feel any difference. Although I do feel the lumbar support is there, but I don't feel any difference when adjusting. So I'm glad that it's there because lumbar support is super important. Otherwise, you start having lower back pain and it's terrible. It's a really bad experience. I've been through that already. I also installed the little neck right here and it feels good. It's very soft. I like it. It's very, very soft. And I feel like this is perfect for my height. It's just my neck hits perfectly right there. I'm 5'9", so this chair, it feels like it's made for my height. There's a knob where you can, okay, so there's all the way down. Okay, my legs, I feel there's a little bit more angle. Of course, I lowered all the way down and I feel like I have more control over it, but it still feels kind of low. So let me lift it all the way up. There it is. Okay, even all the way up, I still feel good control over it. Something else that I noticed right away, or actually start feeling it right now, is that there's a little pressure underneath my legs, right behind my knees. And so based on my experience, if I feel that pressure right now, that means that in the long run, I'm going to start having a little blood circulation problems right here with my legs and that pressure. One thing I did notice too is that the chair is not that long. The length is not that long, so it's not hitting the back of my knees. It's not hitting that area, which is good. All right, so let me measure the length of the seat. So this is around 19 inches. So it's around 19 inches of length. Let me see how wide this is. So let's go over here. 19 inches as well. So it's 19 by 19 inches length and wide. No wonder it's so comfortable. Now let me measure how wide it is from the back. The widest part right here is about 17 inches. So there you have it. Those are some good measurements, just in case if you're wondering. So these are the armrests, and I noticed that all these chairs have basically the same material. It's not the best, it's not the worst, it's a little stiff, I noticed, but I always suggest that to use premium materials in here because these are touch points. Our skin is going to touch this. Hopefully they listen to me and they make this a little bit more premium material. Other than that, it does have all the functions like the other chairs. So it goes up, it goes down, then over here it goes in and out. And then this other button is to, you can flip it in and out. And you can also put back or down, forward, back, forward. So it does come with all this 4D functions, is what they call, which is nice. One more feature I like about this chair is the fabric material. It is strong, durable, and breathable. It keeps my butt fresh, especially in summertime, which is just around the corner. On top of that, Boulies has added a coating to the fabric to ensure it is water repellent for any little accidents that may happen.